What's up, guys? This is 2373 Nolan. Just wanted to share this video with you guys because I think this weather is really trippy. There goes some thunder right there. But yeah, right before 3 p.m. my time, I received a notification that we might get a flash flood warning. And we're the only city that's having a thunderstorm, which is crazy. The rest of the area is hot. But yeah, so I just wanted to show this to you guys, document it. I just think this is really wild. Some lightning right there. Let you guys listen to this for a minute. But anyway, yeah, so some really good thunder right there. But anyway, I just also want to thank you guys for helping me surpass the 100 subscriber count. I would appreciate it if you guys could help me get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Please like this video, please share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I would appreciate it. I just really think nature is awesome. As long as it doesn't do too much damage to everyone, whatnot, everything. As long as it's not too bad, nature is really something to watch. Really good thunder right there. Alright guys, I'm going to let you guys listen for another minute and then I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Thank you again for watching this video, and if, like I said, if you can, please subscribe if you haven't. And once again, thank you for everyone to subscribe. Sorry, that have subscribed to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. And have a good night. Take care. Peace.